If you want to learn how to make these delicious treats, then what? Keep watching this video. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. As you may see, I have a double boiler going and ready to go. So we are making some delicious treats that you can have for Valentine's Day or whenever you choose to do so. Now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of chocolate chips, and this is dark chocolate chips. Vegan, but you can use chunky chocolates if you have that as well. That's perfectly fine as long as you're using vegan. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of coconut butter, or you can use coconut oil. That's perfectly fine. I'm just adding a little bit more chocolate chip to this because I figure I needed a little bit more to do this. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing everything together, just waiting for everything to melt. So before I get any further, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free, and hit the bell for notification as well. Once everything is melted, I mixed it around, and now I'm just going to remove it from the double boiler and put it on the counter. Once I have it on my counter, I'm going to get my mold. As you may see, you can use any mold that you want. You can use heart molds or whatever that you have. So I just have these molds. I couldn't find any heart mold, guys, so I just decided to use this. And I'm scooping out my chocolate and put it inside of the mold, as you may see. And then with these, you can make them your own. Do whatever you want. I'm adding a little bit of pecans on top. And then once I add my pecans on top, I have some chopped strawberries, so I'm just going to take those and I'm just going to put those in the bottom of my mold. Once again, you can do whatever you want to make these your own. This is what I love about this recipe. Now I'm just going to scoop out some chocolate and I'm going to put it on top of the pecans that I have, but you don't have to do it that way. It's pretty much up to you. Like I said, make it your own. Then I'm going to take some more chocolate and I'm just going to put it right on top of my strawberries. After you've done that, you add your chocolate on top. Absolutely delicious and yummy. I love, love, love chocolate. Of course, everything in moderation, right? Okay, so I'm just going to finish putting the chocolate on top. And once I do that, I did my other one and I add a little nuts on top. You can add some coconuts. Once again, like I said, just go ahead and make it your own. Okay, my healthy people, so I'm all finished setting everything up, and that's exactly what it looks like. Now that also let me know which is your favorite, and that's what they look like when they're finished. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, wait for it to harden up. Don't mind the mess on top. It's okay. It's going all in the same place in your belly, so that's not a big deal at all. So now, my healthy friends, we're going to go ahead and make some chocolate covered strawberries. I love it, love it, love it. I had to melt a little bit more chocolate because I ran out, but you know how to melt your chocolate, right? All right, so you're going to take your strawberry by the stem and you're just going to swoop it all the way around. Just like that. Don't worry about if your hands get a little messy, right? Because it's all deliciousness anyway. So that's what it looks like. And you're going to do the rest of them exactly the same way. Just going to swoop it all the way around. Just make sure that you get the right amount of chocolate on top. So my healthy people, once you're finished, that's what they look like. Once again, guys, don't forget to lay your chocolate up. Don't have them laying down, because once the chocolate hardens, it's going to be hard to pick them up, and we don't want that. The next thing that we're going to be making is we're just going to have some raspberries. And this is so simple and so easy, guys. If you love what you see so far, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. So what I'm doing right here is I'm adding some chocolate chip, simple and easy, to my raspberries. Absolutely love this. It's so simple and so easy. Make for a great spread. But I'm going to show you how everything comes together and look absolutely delicious and nice. So let's look at that. Okay, my healthy people, so as you may see, my chocolate is hardened on my strawberries, and once that's done, I'm adding my blueberries with the chocolate chip. So this is gonna make for a nice platter if you're having a party or if you have some friends over. You can make it for your kids. This is perfect for anyone. Looks great, looks delicious. You just stack it to the way you want it to be, and that's what we're doing right here, as you may see. So once I add everything, now my mold that we made earlier has hardened. I had it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. That's what it looks like. So I'm just going to add those to my plate, and I'm zooming out a little bit so you guys could see it. And I just pop everything out. It's real simple and easy to pop out, guys. No, it's not going to be hard. It's going to be real easy. Add everything in your plate, and once you do that, this is what it's going to look like once you're all done. Absolutely delicious if you're having a party, if you're having some friends over. Like I said, this is a delicious treat using chocolate. You could do this for a kids party, do whatever you want to do. It's pretty much up to you. Absolutely delicious, yummy. I actually want to eat them all right now. They look so good. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, if you enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up and say it with me. Stay healthy.